Okay. So Control A. Then I'll press Control T. This is to bring out a text character panel. So when you press Control T, you bring out the text character panel from the in Photoshop. So okay. So I need this to go up 6. Let me see 6. So still need to go up more. Okay. Let me control it here. So we can reduce here. So I'm trying to reduce the interval between the percent and off. Okay, I think I'm good with this. So that's 50 character. I mean 5 character. Then I will reduce the font size here. Let me type 4. Okay. Then I'll click on my move tool now. So I can take it here now. Say up to 50% off. This is looking somehow. Okay. I'm not happy with the result. So I'll go back to my text tools. Then I will select off now. So I will delete this off. And so I'm left with percent. So I can align it here. Then I'll go back to my up to now. So I can take it this way. Then I can drag up to down here. So I can go back to my text tools again and select the up to. Then I'll press Ctrl A to highlight. Then I will type off. So I will look for the percent layer. Then I will press Shift key on my keyboard and look for 50 layer. Then I'll group the two. And I'll call this one percentage and 50. I'll press enter. Okay. So I'll go back to the off layer now. So I can hide it for a while now. Then I'll select the percentage layer. I'll press Ctrl key and select the up to layer. Then I'll go to my home tab. I'll select align vertical center. Ctrl Z. I will select align horizontal center. I think they have been aligned already. So I will go to my edit now from the home tab. Then free transform. So I can just take it to top a little bit to the center. Then I'll click on this check mark to accept it. So I can come back to the off layer and turn it on. So I can try to position it below the 50. I think it's cool like this. So I can go back to my text tools and select the off. And I press Ctrl A to highlight. So from here, I can change the font style to the light. Then I click on this. Then I'll go to the up to layer, Ctrl A. Then I will change this to light also. Then I'll go to my toolbar and select my move tool. Now I need to group everything together. So I'll press Shift key on my keyboard and locate the percentage and off layer and grab everything together. Then I will drag it down and drop it in a box, in a group. So I'll call this one percentage layer, promo layer. Press enter key on my keyboard. So I will look for this yellow layer. Then I'll go back to the layer panel. I'll press shift key on my keyboard and select the promo layer now. Then I'll go to the home tab here. I will align vertical center, then align horizontal center. So I can delete my character panel. I can press Ctrl+0 to zoom in the entire canvas. So we are done with up to 50% stuff. So we can press Ctrl+T to open the transform tools. So we can press shift key and alternative key to increase the size more. And I click on this to accept. Then I can locate the yellow shape layer. So this is the yellow shape layer. I can right click on the layer. Then I will look for duplicate layer. Now I'll turn this to black. Shape. Then I'll click on OK. So I'll select the bottom layer. Double click on the layer thumbnail. Then I'll pick this black here. Now click on OK. Then with my arrow key, I can just tap out like this, just to create a kind of shadow beside the shape, right? It's make our graphic look more unique and nice, right? So let's press Ctrl minus to zoom in the entire. So you can see that this thing come up from the background, right? So we can look for the blue layer now. Then we come down to the layer panel here. We make a new layer. Then we go back to our toolbar and right click on the shape style. I will select custom shape now. Now I need some kind of custom shape to make our top graphic look nice. So let me see how this is going to look. So make this kind of shape here. Oh, sorry, Ctrl Z. That's not what I'm trying to drag. So I'm trying to drag the new custom shape here. I don't know if this is look nice. We are creative agency. It's not look more okay. So let me delete that custom shape there. Then press Ctrl 0 and see what we can do. Just that this is not going to look. It's not going to stand only. Ctrl T to open the transform tools. Shift key and alternative key to drag to make it bold. And we can try to. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do here? So we can try to use pen tools here. Ctrl+0. Ctrl+. So I don't want the text to look just ordinary like that. Ctrl+. So what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Okay. Let me try and see some stuff we can do here. Okay, so we can go to our toolbar now and select our pen tools. So having select our pen tools, then we can make some kind of then I'll close the part here. Okay, I think this is nice. I think this is nice. This is nice. So control plus 0. Wow. So I'm good to go with this. So we are creative agency up to 50%. Learn more. Simple, creative corporate banner. This is how you make it in Adobe Photoshop CC. You can use any type of Adobe Photoshop version to get this thing done. All you have to do is to see the kind of steps, the process I take in this video and get something nice to me, and let me see how far we have done in our web banner design in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end. See you soon. Bye.